JW's garage. Day 2. Let's go see what's going on in here.
So even though we sprayed them in a booth and everything, there's little tiny little spots of lint, you know? Like, see that little tiny one right there? I mean, you can't hardly see it, but you can feel it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some 2000 grit and I'm hitting those little spots and I'm knocking them flat. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna flatten out the surface so you won't see that blemish. And then what's gonna happen is I'll come over this with a buffer and buff that area out. So I just caught another little, matter of fact, I can feel the lint sticking up. So. I shot all this stuff in Imron clear coat, right? So Imron is a product made by Axalta. It's specifically made for the industrial heavy truck market. So all your Freightliners, your Sterlings that are out there, what have you, those trucks are all painted in Imron. Most of your Peterbilts are still painted in Imron because it's just very high durability as well as a bunch of other factors. Like, you can totally graffiti on this and buff it right off. Equivalently, it's about as hard as powder coating. So that being the case, you got about 18 hours to wet sand the areas that you're gonna wet sand, because after that, it's gonna be a real bugger. Like, this paint job is gonna be, tomorrow, this paint job will be so hard. Like, this 2000 grit's not even gonna put a dent in it. Need a lot of wrenches. If you're ever doing this type of work, don't ever try and take the spring out until you take the leveling bolt out of it and get all of that tension off there. Guaranteed, that spring pops, it will break your arm. These are supposed to be marked left or right side. They're not. We'll figure it out. That is a proper Loctite application. You know, and simply enough too, like, these threads aren't going to be grabbing into a threaded area. It's these that are going to grab in down here, and you can see the wear on them. So that's where I want to put the Loctite, because up here it's not going to do anything. Sure am.